Hello everyone, welcome to an update on gold. So we're going to go over the gold chart and just explain exactly what's going on, what we're looking at. Currently Tuesday the 27th of August. Links are all in the video description. VIP service, my personal link, and the free Telegram channel if you want to check that out. Now we're going to go on this chart. This is where I've been doing my weekly forecast. So I'm going to stick to this chart. And you can see I've currently got a bullish arrow because we're expecting a bullish move from the current area. We got consumer confidence coming out in just over an hour's, around an hour's time. And we also have the New York session. So currently looking for a bullish move from this breaker. So this is your manipulation area. So this is your consolidation. Fake out to the upside, which retests the daily open. And then you got the downwards move. I'm seeing this as your fake out to build up the manipulation, to build up the consolidation area. So this is being seen as a fake out down. Now I'm looking for the impulse move up. And that's mainly because we have this clear liquidity here that was left over from yesterday. So I'll go over this in a minute. This is a manipulation area. And you can see we left behind a nice bit of liquidity there. So what you're getting here is you'd be expecting a push up, a nice impulse move upwards, take this high, then a big impulse move down to show the strength is to the downside. But what you got is it just about takes this, then it hangs around in this area, and you can see how it leaves liquidity above the previous candles. So that is being left behind on purpose. I'm seeing that as clear liquidity for a target. So when we zoom out, this is our setup for today. Price came down, takes the liquidity from Monday, gives you a consolidation area, impulse move up to show break structure sort of thing, impulse move down, show the last liquidity grab. So you got a liquidity grab here and a liquidity grab here. Then you got the reversal to build up. Now you're looking for an impulse move up to target this high. And when you go to the higher time frame, what you see is retracement from this manipulation area, takes liquidity, followed by a continuation up. And if we just drag this area along, you can see how that matches up with the current price action. So you're seeing this same price action on the higher time frame as the smaller time frame. So what you have here, this is your consolidation. This downwards move is your fake out, collects liquidity, retest a bullish support, and then this is your impulse move up. Now you're getting a retracement followed by a continuation up. So this setup here is exactly the same as what we just went over on the 15-minute time frame. Here's your consolidation, fake out to the downside, collects that. Now you're looking for impulse move up. You might even see that while I'm recording this video. So that is what you're currently looking at. Let me just get rid of the period separators so you can see it a bit clearer. See how that fake out moved to the downside, collected liquidity here, retested a previous manipulation area, then gave you that impulse move up. So that's why we're looking for an impulse move up from here, and that will be to target the all-time high and this high here. And the reason for that is because price came up to this manipulation area here, which was explained in the weekly forecast. You can see we've got the concentrated area running along there, which it retested. But you got no kind of impulse move to the downside. Yes, you got this little drop here, but it was not big enough, not like one of these moves here, to show volume going into the market. All it did is push down to this previous support, bounced around in this area, then push down again. And what that's showing is this is retracement price action. So this is being seen as a small retracement, collect liquidity, retest this manipulation area on the higher time frame, and we're going to just continue up from here. So when you go to the higher time frame, we can go to the 4 hour actually. That's probably a bit better. You will have something like this. So it's a simple retest, liquidity being created here, and we're just looking for a continuation up. And this is the start of the fake out to the downside. So this is your consolidated area. And if you just run that all along here, what you'll have in this area, if you look at all the smaller time frames, you will have multiple manipulation moves in that area. So on all time frames, that is. See, as you can see here, we are creating moves from this area. I'll let you do that yourself. So if you go to all the time frames and just focus on what price is doing in those areas, what you will get is a collection, a concentrated area that runs along here, and that's being used as support and resistance. So you can see here, you got the consolidation. So this is for continuation up, consolidation, fake out to downside, collects liquidity here, retest this bullish support, which is a manipulation area on the smaller time frame. Then you get the reversal, impulse move up, another retest, continuation up. So that's why it all comes from this area running along here, and that is your true support on gold. So that's why we're looking for a bullish move from here, and you're seeing the same sort of thing on the smaller time frame. So at the moment, it's nice and simple. We're just looking for a continuation up, and that's likely to go over the next few days. So I wouldn't be surprised if the main target for this week or before GDP is to target the all-time high. In the weekly forecast, we was just looking for a reversal in this great area. We was looking for this liquidity line to be taken and then reversal here. We got that, but we didn't show enough impulse move down for a continuation down to follow the higher time frame move. So we follow with what price is showing us, and at the moment that is showing us as a continuation up from this area. Message me if you've got any questions. Hopefully that helps and puts things into a clearer view for you if you're a bit lost on gold. Yeah, and all we're doing is moving from liquidity and these manipulation areas and just following price around the New York session, which is the high volume time. That's when you'll see the bigger moves, and that's when you see the retest of these manipulation areas being used, and then a continuation on to a clear liquidity pool. And that's all we're doing. Hopefully it brings some profit. The free channel has already got an update to show that I'm still bullish and targeting the all-time high. VIP members have already got a breakdown of a trade, and we're currently in a buy already. Also took a sell on US 30. Yeah, links are in the video description. Have a good day, take care, and goodbye.